Welcome back to another DIY video. In this one, you're gonna see me paint on a canvas for the very first time ever. Unplanned, unscripted, it came out how it came out. I've always wanted a glitter wall art piece but didn't like the retailer's prices, so decided to make my own. So you're going to need an art canvas of your choice and size. I have 3 colors of paint here, black, white, and a silver metallic, all acrylic paint, 3 sizes of glitter, some paint brushes, and foam brushes. And of course, paper plates to mix your paint. You'll see here I'm mixing the white acrylic with the black acrylic until I get the desired shade of gray that I want. And here I'm beginning painting. The important thing is once you've decided how you want your artwork to look, have your brush strokes going in the direction that you want them. I'm focusing most on the middle for this canvas because I want to be able to hang it both vertically and horizontally if I choose, and I want it to look good both ways. So I am keeping it pretty uniform in color on the top and bottom, and I'm going to focus my color variations down the middle, which is why I'm leaving a blank white area. Before I begin painting the middle, I'm going to add the medium texture of silver glitter on either side. And I'm doing this before the paint dries so it will stick, but also because it helps me see what I want to do next to my painting. Next, I'm going in with the metallic silver and a couple of drops of the black acrylic, and I'm going to mix those together until I get a desired gray metallic silver that I want. I want this to be slightly darker than the first shade I painted with. About this type of artwork is it's very forgiving. If you don't like something, you can easily cover it up with glitter or another color of paint to kind of correct it or add some texture, which is what you'll be seeing me do throughout this video. Now that I have the middle all covered with the first layer of the darker gray silver paint, I'm going in with an even lighter gray for some texture variation. Kind of making icicles, but not heavily pronounced icicles, just kind of an overlap of different strokes. And I'm going throughout the entire middle of the painting and adding some longer ones up either side as well. Now I'm adding more black just to have some more dimension there with the grays, black, and have it kind of overlap and intertwine each other. And now I'm going in with the silver flake glitter. This is really large, chunky glitter. It makes the painting really pop and gives it that sparkle that I love. And now that I've covered it with some glitter, I'm going in with a few more strokes of the black and some gray, and just adding it in between the glitter, just as I see fit until I like what I have. You can choose to do the glitter last but for me, it helps me see where I want to add or take away things. Now I'm going in with extra fine glitter. I got this from Michael's. The other 2 sizes of glitter I got from Hobby Lobby. Now once you have all the glitter that your heart desires, you can paint on some Mod Podge. I'm using a foam brush from the Dollar Tree for this. And don't worry, the Mod Podge does dry clear. This is to seal your glitter so you don't have a lot of fallout. I also used hairspray. You won't see that in the video, but I used some hairspray just to spray on a little bit more sealant so you'll have less fallout. And this is my finished result. I absolutely love how it came out and how it complements all my decor. And the sparkle on it is amazing. The camera does not do it justice. You have to see it in the lighting to really get a good idea, but as you can see even from the camera, it is picking up some glittery, I don't know, some sparkle. Look at all that sparkle. I love it. For my first painting, I'm very proud of it. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hopefully you make your own and you love it just as much. Take care. Bye-bye.